Hey guys, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist, and we're looking at the current backlog, part of it, and these are clocks in the service queue that I have yet to begin with, or begin to overhaul them at all, and this is half of it, and the other half is over here. So we're looking at about 36 clocks in line right now. And again, these are the ones that I haven't even begun to do yet. We're going to start something new with this channel, which is I will list off the next 3 clocks in queue. So we have Graf, Loggins, Lisson, and then we'll do a 4th as well, Steffon. So those are the next 4 clocks to get going on. And I'm going from top, down, 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 and then over here, up. So lots of work to do. And we might as well take a little look around the shop here while we're at it. Beautiful 540 Lisson there. Got a cool 8-day. The day and night Jacques and Boaz motif. There's me. And some other ones over here. Currently getting timed out and regulated. I'll go this way. Got our nice Westminster chime 8-day mantle clock there. Gotta love it, gotta love it. My apologies if I'm going too quickly through everything here. Kind of got to get going and get to work, man. Get to work. And then, of course, the client's boxes. When they send me their original box, that's where it gets stored up. And then over here we have a homemade wall clock I did with recycled pallet wood. And as you can see, I kind of was influenced by the Jaeger-LeCoultre Atmos dial. It's kind of the style I was going with on that one. I should have did the 9 and the 3 sideways like the 1950s 519s, but maybe we can do that another time. It's a big clock and it's heavy. And then, you know, it just has the quartz movement, quartz high torque movement. You got to do the high torques when you get these big long hands. The other ones will work, but not for very long typically. They get burned out. And that's kind of a cool one. I really like it. And of course, got another work bay over here, workshop bay going. Pretty. And that's where we're at. So we got lots of work to do, and I better get to it. Thanks, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And again, if you have a clock in here for service with me, we're going to start updating the service queue progress on the YouTube channel here. I figure that's a way I can address more clients at once rather than answering each and every individual email. So that's where we're at, and we're going to get to work. And by the way, yeah, we want to get to 1,500 subscribers, and then we're going to do a gift giveaway. I will probably pop out another video showing what that gift will be. And hopefully we can entice some people to subscribe. So there it is. Got lots of work to do. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.